Hi guys, if you are facing any issues in your Windows 11 system after update, installing Windows latest update such as Windows update KB5077181 locks some Samsung PCs and remove C drive and having error C is not accessible error. If you are also facing such type of issue in recent February update, some users have complained that their Samsung PC is not working properly and C drive is missing. In this case, either wait for some fixes or patch update from Microsoft or uninstall your Windows latest update. If you fail to uninstall Windows latest update, then simply go to System Restore. Right click on Start button, choose Run, and here type RSTRUY in Run command box. Click on OK. It will open System Restore Windows. Here Restore System Files and Settings. Make the check against option, choose a different restore point, click on Next, and here find Windows Update. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. So look for Windows Update. If you don't find Windows Update, then you will have to create a system restore point. Go to Windows Search and type create a system restore. Create a restore point. Click on it. Here select the drive in which protection should be on. Select it and create a restore point right now to the drives that have system protection turned on. Click on create, assign a name, create a restore point, type a description to help you identify the restore point. We will choose Windows Update, click on create and wait for some times. It will take few minutes, and once successfully created a restore point was created successfully, click on close. Thereafter again go to Run dialog box, right click on Start button and choose Run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open Run dialog box, and here type RSTRUY command, click on OK. Make the check against option, create a restore point, choose a different restore point, click on Next, and you will see Windows Update restore point you have recently created. It will visible here. Select it, restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. So select it and click on Next, and finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. Click on Finish and let the window complete the restoration process. Your computer will back to that point.